people, how are we today? Welcome back into the greenhouse. If we haven't met already, I am Sam. I'm your plant collector in Melbourne. Today, we have another unboxing video. This is the second unboxing in 1 month. What I'm about to show you is yet again another box of things that will be coming into the shop. Let me get it out for you. Ta-da! So this got sent out on Wednesday. It is currently Friday. It literally got here in 2 days, which is amazing. And normally it doesn't happen with the Australia Post. I'm pretty wrapped with that. As you can see, the box has been a little bit caved in, a little bit damaged, but you know what? Hopefully the plants are fine. I'm never too fussed. Let's get into cracking this baby. Where's my knife? Weapon of choice. I'll give you a little hint. I probably put it in the title anyway. So, today's box, we don't have as many plants as last time's unboxing, and if you haven't seen that, link above. But this one, my dear friends, is a Syngonium one. We have some pretty exciting / rare plant Syngoniums in here. Open this puppy up. Oh, I just realized that there are staples on this box, and that has never happened to me before. I am normally used to tape and not staples. Oh, alright, just rip it. That's what I'm gonna do. So, once again, we have plenty of newspaper, which honestly, I'm not always about. I mean, as long as you can recycle it, then that's fine, but what do you guys think? Just because I feel like it's a waste. Oh my gosh, they're all so pretty! I don't even know where I'm gonna put all of this paper. We have such beautiful plants in here. Sam has so many plants. And here we have plenty, lots and lots of greatly variegated Syngonium fantasies. Oh, I am so psyched with this. I think that there's about 4 plants in there. So we've got some really lovely variegation. I think that's probably one of the better leaves, that one there. Wow, honestly, I feel like all of them are really nicely variegated. And I don't know if you can see my poor little guy over here. That is my very large Syngonium fantasy, but it's looking more green rather than variegated or speckled. But these guys have really great variegation. So these are going straight onto the shop because it looks like all of them have really great aerial roots and roots. So yeah, love it. Love it, love it, love it. The person that has sent these to me has done a really great job in packaging because they have actually cable tied these plants into the box to keep them very stable. So, we like that. I like that a lot. If you haven't seen it before, I like so, which I highly recommend. When it comes to packaging plants, I use twine instead of zip ties because I don't want to use plastic, but regardless, still the same result in that you punch holes in it and then you put the zip tie through so that the plant doesn't move in the box. A+ in terms of packaging. Woo! This is huge! Okay, so we got 2 types of plants in here. Here we have a huge, beautiful Syngonium Panda. And yes, Sam already has 2 pandas, but this one is really big. Holy moly, very mature. And also, I needed more mother plants to be able to chop and sell in the shop. So this is definitely going to be a mother plant. I'll probably chop it up if I can. This one, holy moly, this is a Syngonium Mojito. And I've had a mojito before. Me and my sister bought one from Rural Tropics way back when, but the variegation has gone. So this is freaking stunning. I don't know if you can see all the pattern up in there. Let me grab, this one. That one is a beautiful. Beautiful. Another mother plant to add into here, and I'll see if I can chop it up and sell them in the store ASAP. And you know your girl has left the best till last because that's how I roll. This one, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Come here, you beautiful thing. amazing, amazing, amazing. These are the last two that I have, and these are so stunning. These I would classify as more of like rarer Syngoniums, and here I have a quite mature green splash. So that one there is looking beautiful. I really love like more rounded Syngonium leaves. Everyone loves a good arrowhead, but these ones to me are super duper cute because they're more circular, they're more love heart shape, which I'm all about. I already do have a green splash, and it is this guy right here, but as you can see, this one is a lot more juvenile and younger looking than this big one right there. So I will definitely be chopping both of these up for the shop. I actually tried to attempt to cut off or to chop up this guy like a few days ago, and I stuffed it up and I only got the leaf. So there's literally no node attached to that. So that is probably going to die off, which is really sad. You live and you learn. So that is my baby green splash, and now we got a big mama green splash. And as you can probably already see, how freaking amazing. So this, my friends, is a variegated Syngonium, but the yellow version. I've never seen this in real life before, and I freaking love it. I want to know, do you guys prefer yellow variegation or white variegation, or even like a creamy variegation? Because I have, at the very beginning of my plant journey, I thought the yellow variegation really looked sickly, and so all of those plants like Monstera aurea, the variegated Bruhl Marx, the yellow version just didn't catch my eye, and I'm slowly learning to really love them. There is a yellow Syngonium. How beautiful. So that one I'm probably going to let grow really big and then chop it down. This one won't be in the shop for quite some time. As soon as I chop it up, they are going in the shop. So absolutely stunning. It was a short haul. It was a short unboxing. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different Syngoniums. Let me get them out. That, my friends, is a Syngonium heaven. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So how many plants do I have here? I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am one happy chappy. So this video was short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed looking at the new plants that I've got that will hopefully be coming to the store very soon or in the next couple of months. Stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for hanging out in the greenhouse with me again. I will catch you next time in next week's video. Bye guys. Mwah!